Alright, you guys. This is my 2013 G37 sedan. You guys watch the channel in the beginning. You can see, I think there's a video when I bought it, and then there's now. So basically, I want to make a series of me kind of reviving this thing. Basically, just like basic maintenance and just a lot of things I need to fix on this car to get it like a little bit of a better condition. And I don't really plan on doing anything too crazy to this. I mean, we'll see like how much my budget can grow or kind of stay the same for this car. But I just plan to do a lot of maintenance stuff for this car because I think it really needs it. It's coming up to almost 160,000 miles. I got it at 113,000, and sorry. And then I did a lot to it. I'll probably do a walkthrough video of this car in a future post. That's hopefully the start of a series, the revival of the G37. What we about to do? We back. we are still alive. We alive. So today is the R6 survival day because it's been sitting there for like a year and hasn't been driven. And we had the boy Joey. He's the previous owner.
Yeah.
And he just lets
clean titled, never banged on it. First, second, third gear, all no grinds.
Yeah, perfectly smooth. Alright, so we just gotta take out the battery and then get it recharged. Do a little bit of oil change, and then we should be Gucci. The battery's been sitting there doing nothing for like the past year, so shit doesn't even start. Alright, you guys, so now we have the battery out, and we're just gonna go get it recharged. And also need to buy some more oil for this, and what was it? The tie rod end replacement, or tie rod end tool, and the ball joint tool. I'm trying to get rid of those or replace those today too. Actually, I'll just show you guys the parts I have. I had the K-tuned, I think it's shorter tie rods. It's adjustable too. And then the energy bushings for lower control arms for the fronts. And then I have hard race ball joints right here. So this should change up the car a little bit, I think. Yeah, so we live in the ghetto. So what we gotta do is we just gotta cut up the registration stickers because people like to steal them.
You know, just to make sure.
Just to make sure, because he lives in the hood.
Whoa, I'm from the suburbs. That's on the suburbs.
And then we're gonna go to Costco, right?
We're gonna go to AutoZone first?
Yeah, AutoZone then Costco because we're trying to eat on a budget. So we are back. It's been like what, 2 hours?
2 hour trip.
So we basically stopped at AutoZone. Our boy works there, and then we got the battery recharge. We tried to, but he told me that it was bad. So I was like, okay. But while we were there, picked up oil, some tools, the printed out tools. You guys got this shit working.
Should have recorded me without the second trip.
Yeah, Joey doesn't want me to sell it.
Look at the smile it brought to both of our faces.
Yep. What exhaust does it have?
NVIDIA N1.
Oh, okay, yeah. NVIDIA N1. You can smell the fuel. This shit has not moved in ages. But it's a Honda, so it's gonna start, man. Alright, you guys. So we started the R6, and yeah, idle's pretty rough. Like it goes 1K to 2K, and then we just shut it off after a while. But we can try to figure that out. We added new coolant in it, or more coolant because it was pretty empty. So it could be like the intake system. That's what we think. You guys, battery's about to die, but we were working on the car.
Okay.
And then the idle goes from 1K to 2K. Bro, we're taking out. We're like, let's look for the throttle body. Bro, we see this. This is part of the intake that directly connects to the throttle body. I was like tinkering with it. I was like, wait, Joey, why is there a gap? Alright, you guys, so update. We gave up on the R6 and because the intake boot or intake piping right here, it ripped, as you can see here. So I'm fixing my other headache, the G37's door. So to do this, we had to basically literally just pop this off, just pull your door stuff, and you take out like one screw right behind the yeah, you pop this off, take it out, and then you use a flathead, pop off the little control for windows, and then start unplugging stuff. And then later on, when you pop this off, I get the light in there. When you pop the stuff in here, it's gonna be 2 bolts right in this bracket right here. 2 bolts. Take that 10 millimeters, easy. Start unplugging the window control modules in there. And then there's another one, the LED right here. You can see it right there. This is the new part, and as you can tell, this is how it's going to be sitting. So to take out this black piece, this black sheet, in order to get this back in. Time to go to work. Alright, you guys, so this is day 2 of working on this. I did the wrong way. I don't know if I mentioned it or recorded it, but I'm supposed to keep this on, and then the window's supposed to pop off already. So what I was going to do was just kind of plug half of it back in, turn on the car, roll the windows down so the motors get to like a certain point, so that I can get the window back on to the motor, and then just reinstall everything. Alright, you guys, so my brain was actually braining. Alright, so my window motors, because my window was rolled up, because I didn't watch the video on how to do this, it was here, so I couldn't really put it back in because it was hitting. I took it out because I already unbolted these, and then you're not supposed to, because it's supposed to stay on here and you're supposed to take out your window. But so I just plugged in. If you have the same issue where you're a dumbass like me and you did it the hard way and you disconnected the window motor from this little panel, then just plug in this one. Wait, no, it was this one, the one with the long string dangling from it, into the window motor, and then you plug these two. You only need these two into here and here. Turn your car, roll down your window, and then now I need to I'm pretty sure I need to take this stereo off, and this little patch can come off, so that I can remount the window back to the mounts, so that whenever I roll it up and down, it'll still work. But I'm just gonna go ahead and take up the stereo, and after that I should be able to reassemble everything. Alright, you guys, I was able to get everything back in. Don't forget to plug this light in. There's one for the speaker, there's another one for your seat presets. Got that. Hit the tabs in like kind of gently, just like get it aligned, hit one end, and then just go all the way around. After that, don't forget these 2 bolts in here. Don't lose those. Alright, and then after that, you want to just plug this bad boy in, and then put that one screw back in here, pop in that tab again, and you should be good to go. Alright, you guys, so I haven't done an update in a while. It's probably been like like 30 minutes, but I got it back together, and then so this was a situation. I was like, alright, I'm gonna lock it. I was like, alright, it works. So when I locked it and I closed it, I tried to open it, and it's still open, right? I was like, yo, but it's just stupid, because like, why can it still open when it's locked? And later on I was like, wait, my keys were still in the car. That's why the little device wouldn't even lock the car. I basically wasted all that time. But my window, when I was rolling it down, it'll like get caught about like right here. That's because the cable that in the previous part of the video, the cable that kind of loops around on the inside comes up here, it was getting caught on that. just whenever you put it back in, make sure you put the cable kind of flush against the door towards the outside. I think I can finally put everything back together now. Took too long. Alright, you guys, so I finally completed it. Like the past few months, I'd have to like get my key fob, you know, bust it out, and then unlock it. Now it works. It's kind of stiff though, but I found the part on Amazon. To do like G37 driver side door lock actuator, and then I bought that as like $50 or less. So I think this is it's a pretty good buy. I think, unless I'm stupid and I didn't know where to find the OEM ones for cheap, but it was quick. So, and that is how you don't do a door lock. I know in this video I'm trying to work on my RSX. I also need to buy this, the intake tube. Once I get that, I'm pretty sure the RSX should run fine. It's like the same issue with my G. When I tried to install the 3-inch intakes, it was sucking up too much air, so it was making like a weird idle noise. Thank you guys for watching. It was kind of all over the place, but I'm trying to get back into this video recording grind. I do have some content ideas. God damn, everything expensive nowadays. Alright, see you guys.